Hey y'all. So I've been coaching T-ball. Long story short, my hair got fucked up. Also got these from Amazon. I really want to try. I tell you, my roller set is gonna be motherfucking popping. Okay, people. So here we are. We're gonna go ahead and shampoo in the sink. I've detangled, and I'm just combing all of my hair to the front. I like to use Aussie shampoo and conditioner. It's affordable and it works great on my hair to retain moisture and keep my scalp from drying out. Usually I shampoo twice, leave my conditioner in for about 10 minutes, and rinse. When I flat iron my hair, it's important to protect your shit. So first I'm going to use this Ionic builder, bond rebuilder. Then I'm going to use this Wild Spray, and my favorite heat protectant is this right here. I will link everything below, including the roller set kit that I purchased off of Amazon. Most of these things are very reasonably priced, so get yours, sis, before they sold out. Ew. I just don't like it in the sink. It's a kit I got from Amazon. I got one in. Yeah. Huh? I don't think we're talking about the same thing, man. Saturate there. Can't believe I'm doing this. Oh shit. Shouldn't have said nothing. I can believe it. I'm doing it. Oh, Lord. Yes, 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 yes. Bow, 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 bow. This is why I don't do shit like this anymore. My arms are 34. Oh my god, my arms. Ow, my arms are 34. When they were 33, they didn't bother me. Yikes. This shirt is way too big on me now. It's crazy. Such an awkward angle to be pinching from, bruh. Pinch it from the left. Pinch it from the right. I don't want to do this anymore, but I'm locked in. Look at that bit. It's like jungle music. I'm an animal.
I just want to get a good thing
You
going.
gotta buy it. So, she bought toys. So the tutorial I watched has me sitting under the dryer for an hour. However, I forgot that I actually had a client booked for this day for a retwist. So I had to stop my drying process and retwist this child hair. It took me about 3 hours to finish, and then I gotta get back to my hair. Lord. Oh my Lanta, y'all. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. I'm just really like hopeful that this turns out. Okay. So it's wrapped, and we're gonna see what it look like tomorrow. I'm gonna put my bonnet on. So far I like it, but it's a lot of work. That's all I can say. This took a long time. I think I'd rather just blow dry my hair, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We'll see. Plus, I didn't expect to do hair in the middle of doing my hair. I forgot I had that appointment today, I'm not gonna lie, so that threw me off like 4 hours. But it was cool. Got me along. You know, no, I ain't mad at it. See y'all tomorrow. here it is the next day, and my roller set is truly a fucking disaster. I don't know what happened. I guess I shouldn't have wrapped it. I definitely did like sweat it out under my bonnet in my sleep, which was really annoying. I don't like it. I mean, it's pretty, but it's not what I was looking for.
Like, wait, what in the world?
Whatever. And there you have it. That was my roller set attempt. Like and subscribe. I know it sucked, but I'm gonna try again. Bye.